Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy, your gateway to the enchanting world of flute music. Are you captivated by the soulful melodies of the flute? Do you aspire to master this beautiful instrument or deepen your appreciation for its timeless tunes? At Krishna Flute Academy, we're dedicated to nurturing your passion for music, fostering skills, and sharing the artistry of the flute. Our academy caters to enthusiasts of all ages and skill levels, from beginners taking their first steps to seasoned players seeking to refine their craft. With experienced instructors, personalized guidance, and a curriculum designed to cater to your unique journey, we're committed to helping you excel. Immerse yourself in the joy of live performances, collaborations, and musical experiences that resonate deeply with your heart and soul. Join us at Krishna Flute Academy, where the magic of music meets the purity of the flute. Subscribe now to embark on a melodic journey that will inspire and transform you. Connect with us on social media for updates, tutorials, and more. Let's explore the world of flute together. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and become a part of our musical family.